For this video, I am going to teach you how you can delete a server here in Aternos. So the process is really simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply head over to their official website. So it should be at aternos.org. So open any browser that you're using, log into your account, and then after logging in, then you should be able to see this on your screen. So from the homepage or on your screen, you should be able to see all of your servers on the center part of your screen. So in my account, I only have one server. So as you can see here, I have this server. Now, for example, I want to delete this server. What I'll need to do is to simply locate this pen icon or edit icon beside the create button right here. So once you've clicked onto it, and then this trash can icon will appear beside my server. So you can just then select the server or choose the server that you want to delete and hit the trash can icon or delete icon situated on the right side part of it, just like so. And then this notification will appear. So it says, do you really want to delete the server? And you also need to take note that if you delete it, all files and the settings will be permanently deleted. So now if you want to continue, hit yes. And if you don't, hit no. So that's basically it. That is all that you need to do if you want to delete a server here in Aternos. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.